Hi, welcome back to Leetcode. So in this video, I am going to discuss Leetcode problem 3760, maximum substrings with distinct start. So you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters, that means small a to small z. Return an integer denoting the maximum number of substring you can split S into such that each substring starts with a distinct character. That means for this example 1, because they want to know that like maximum number, like we have to generate the maximum number of substring where each substring is starts with a different character or unique character. That means example 1, a b a b a b a b. So if I split with a, another substring will be b a b. So actually we can generate two substrings with two different unique characters, starting with two different unique characters. Next, I can split A, B, A, B. Is it starting with only? Is it possible to have different character? No. Actually, A are getting repeated, so this is not possible. Next is A, B, A, and another substring will B. Yes. Actually, it starts with B, and this starts with A. So this is also two substring we can generate, maximum two substring. Now you can ask that can actually generate all. Actually, we are getting either it will be 1 because we do not want to split anything, so our answer will be 1. Otherwise our answer will be getting 0 or it will be 2, right? So is it possible to have any answer with 3? Is it possible? Let's think about the from the input string. So I am saying that we actually have three substring x, y, z starting with three different character, because I want to split our input string into three different substrings. I am saying that all the three substrings starts with three different character, correct? That means one substring starts with suppose x, another starts with y, another is starting with z. Is it possible to generate such kind of three substring? Let's check here. Actually, how many unique character actually I have? A and B. Now I am saying here actually this, we have three unique character. Like three unique character starts with like creating three different substring. Is it possible? Not possible, because maximum we actually have two different character. How is it possible to create three substring where actually three substrings starting with three different character? I am assuming okay, this is starts with A, this is starting with B, and I am also saying that this is started with C or something else, but not A and B. Is it possible? Not possible, because this whatever the character I am saying here actually it is not present in the input string. How is it possible? Not possible. So maximum our answer will be the unique character. How many unique character is present in the input string? That will be our answer. Clear? The logic is clear. Now you can ask that is it always possible or is it always true that we can generate those many substring starting with unique character of the unique present? Yes, because there is no restriction in the generation of the substring. We can split like here actually A, B, suppose A, B, C, D. Okay, all the characters it is unique. I am saying that how many unique characters is present? 4. So I am saying that our answer will be 4, but we have to justify that, right? So there is no restriction to generate any substring. So I will start split by A, another will be B, another will C, another will D. So whenever I will see a new character, I will create a new substring. Got it? Because there is no restriction that our length should be this or this. There is no restriction to generate any substring. So that's why whenever I will see any new character or unique character, I will create a new substring. Got it? Suppose we actually have A, B, C, A, D. Okay. So how many unique characters is present? 4 unique character. 4 unique characters is present. A, B, C, and D. A is getting repeated. Okay. So that means first of all, I will create a substring with A. B, this is unique. First time saying, I will create a new substring. C, this is unique character. First time I'm saying this. So I'll create a new substring with C. Next it is A. So this is already repeated. So I will append this A to the previous substring CA. Got it? And D, this is a new character. So I'll create a new substring. Got it? So you can here actually you can see that 4 substring we can generate starts with 4 different unique character. Got it? How actually we can create all those 5 or those many actually unique number of substring? This is clear. Because when actually I am seeing a new substring or new character that is unique, I will create a new substring. That's why it is possible to generate all the possible substring. Those are starting with different character or a unique character. Got it? If there is any repeated character, Actually, you can see that A is getting repeated, so I'll append this into the previous substring. Got it? I'll not create a new substring. I'll append this. Clear? So what will be our answer? Answer should be our unique. How many unique characters is present? So I'll actually create a unique set. Or we know about the set. The set I only store the unique values. So if I store first of all 1, again I have a 1 to store 1. So it will only store only 1 1. Correct? This will not store 1 2 times. It will only store 1 time. Correct? So that's why I can easily use a set here and try to store the character of the input string. So if it is ultimately return the set size. So I will take the set of character. So I'll iterate the input string is, and I will store this current character into the set. It will handle that if it is any duplicate, or then the second time I am seeing this current character, I will not store that. I will ignore that, right? So ultimately after this for loop, I know that how many characters, unique characters present in the input set. So I will actually return that set size. Clear? So this is clear. Actually, why will be our answer will be always the unique character, because there is no restriction to generate the substring. And whenever actually we see a new unique character, I will create a new substring. And if you have any duplicate character, I will actually append this to the previous substring. Got it? So another example is suppose AAA. So how many unique characters is present? Only 1. So I'll create a first of all AA. This A is duplicate, so I'll append this to the previous substring. This A also duplicate, so I'll append this to the previous substring. So only one substring I can generate. Clear? So I have shared this code in the description. You can check that. If you have any suggestion, any comment, anything, you will also share this in the comment box. I'll also try to reply that. And if not yet subscribed, please subscribe channel. Thank you. Bye.